Hey everyone, want to turn your favorite quotes into stunning AI generated posters? Let's do it with Starry AI in just few steps. Let's get started. First, open Starry AI and log into your account. Then here, click the plus create icon and in the prompt box, type your idea. Start with a subject, then include your inspiring quote, like this example prompt here. And once typing your prompt, you can choose your art style and aspect ratio to match your vision. Then, once done, click Generate and wait for the Starry AI to work its magic. And once done, save or share your beautiful code poster with the world. And that's it. In just minutes, Starry AI can transform your word into inspiring work of art. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.